Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the SOOP application to your Android TV without Google Play Store. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So this is my Android TV box and I don't have the Google Play Store application, but I'm going to install the SOOP or the SOOP app to my Android TV without the Google Play Store by just using my browser. So this is very simple and it can work on any browser on your Android TV. Just go to your Android TV, launch your browser, and in the search box, you're going to type in the name of this application, which is just SOOP. You can type in SOOP or just SOOP app download, anyone they're okay with. So you can just type in SOOP, and then you're going to see the result here, as you can see. Now, as you type in just SOOP, you're just going to see one result, but I want many options. So for instance, if I go back to the name of the application and I add SOOP app, yes, and I cover here and I search this, I take the option I say SOOP app, and I'm going to see lots of other suggestions. The first one is this one from Google Play Store, which properly is what we're looking for. Any of these, you can click on any of these. If this is what you want, I just click on it once and it's going to bring the install button over here. I can install. But if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see other options where you can install this application. So for instance, if the first Google Play Store option doesn't work for you, they can come over to other options like this. And come over to up to down and can install the APK or download the APK of this application. And here is it over here. You can come over here and download the APK from this website. But for me, the safest option is using the web version of Google Play Store, which is this. I can install the application without any issues. I just go over here and clicking install. And that's how to download and install the SOOP application to your Android TV without the Google Play Store app installed.